Hello everyone! Many of you use ClickUp, Notion, or Monday as a CRM, and so many times you follow up leads but miss the dates since the follow-up dates are not automated and don't show on tasks. Today in this video, I will show you how you can solve that. I will be using ClickUp, but the same system can be built in Notion or Monday. So we have a product that we sell as a template. This is our fully built Notion EOS Business OS template. Once someone purchases, we get the date on our ClickUp CRM because we integrated Stripe with ClickUp. We get the client name, email address, and some more data points. Then we upsell them our other AI workflow and business transformation services. To do that, we run email campaigns to do that. Now, the way we track is we created a task template which will act as a subtask template for the follow-up. So this is the task and it has all those follow-ups. We do 5 follow-ups for one person, and the tag is used for tracking the time when the follow-up happened, like 3 days after the trigger. Once they purchase, like he purchased on 1st of June, it will happen on 4th of June, then 6 days after, like that. Then we have the assignee who's going to make the follow-ups there, and each task. There's also an email template attached to the comment section. You can just copy it and send it like this. Now, one question may come like, why don't we just directly automate the email sending? Why do you need to have a task? The problem is if you send a direct email from ClickUp, it goes as a separate or new email to the person, and sometimes it just goes to spam. So what we do is we just have one email chain that happens once someone purchases the template, and we keep replaying that email chain so it doesn't end up in junk. That's why there is a task style of doing this. So this is the template that we have. And if you're not creative, just create a task template and save as a template. So we just have it. So once big changes are made, we just say update existing templates. Then what we did is on the template sale, if I go here, there's a bunch of automation that we set up. So for example, like this one, okay? Once the task is created, and if the tag is 3 days, then change the due date to like 3 days after the trigger. This is one automation. Similarly, for 11 days, like if the tag is 11 days, add the due date after 11 days of the trigger, like this. Now what happens? If I create a task, or if someone purchases the template, they will come up here as a task and the subtask template is applied. I'm just doing this for example. If I create a task here, you see the automation running in the background. It will apply the subtask template. Automatically, I have those templates there, and the date of purchase is 24th, and based on these, I have my due dates here. All my due dates for following up, and I have the assignee set up right here. So who is going to follow up and send the email, and I have all the email template right into the subtask right here. Okay, now the person who's going to manage this, each day when he goes to his dashboard, he knows on 5th of December, he has these follow-up. He needs to work on this. So he just goes there on his email and copies this email template and sends it to the right person on the right date. So once this is done, he just marks it completed. So this is one of the easiest ways not to lose track of your follow-ups. And if you have hundreds of leads coming up, and if you have those follow-ups, you know it's easy to miss them. So if you build something like it, it can prevent those missing. It's not only just a follow-up. It can be for different stuff. For example, like if you have CRM, which you have different stages, like send quotations, send first follow-up, second follow-up, then revise the quotation, whatever it is. So you can add those tasks, have the SOPs inside them, and just add tags to just determine when the follow-up happens for different persons. And based on the trigger, it will just have those due dates and everyone knows when something is coming up there. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more system design insights. And if you would like us to build a centralized operations workspace like this for your company, visit www.camelai.tech and send us a message. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.